This is TagPass, an NFC product passport app built for vendors who want to protect their products and give customers a way to verify they're getting the real thing. The home screen keeps it simple. 2 options: scan a tag or write one. Tap Scan Tag. Press the button and hold an NFC tag near the phone. The result comes back immediately. Authenticity verified. This one's a Vans old school from Sport Vision. New, not returned, not a counterfeit. The tag's data loads in. Vendor, product ID, name, state, all pulled straight from card. Back on the home screen, let's open right and modify. We're updating the product name to add the color of it. Make the change, then hit right. The form lets you fill in product details from scratch or load an existing passport from a tag. The app checks vendor ownership, prepares assigned metadata, and writes to the tag. Write OK. Anti-counterfeit protection in place. On Pro, there's no write limit. Scanning other tags works the same way. Each one comes back with full product details and a clear authentic or not result. Now for the emergency reset. If a vendor loses their password, they can wipe the TagPass passport from the card. The app makes you type reset and confirm you're authorized. It's not something you do by accident. Once confirmed, the old passport and password are gone. The card is blank and ready for a new passport to be written. Over in Settings, Pro is active, no ads, unlimited writes. There's a Firebase time beacon for freshness checks, and a local scan history that can flag cloned or replayed tags. Here's the backup export. You pick a passcode, confirm it, and TagPass saves your master key to an encrypted .tps file. Keep that file and passcode somewhere safe. This is what lets you recover everything. Now the app is uninstalled and reinstalled from scratch. Fresh install, brand new master key. Let's try scanning one of the tags we wrote earlier. Different master key. The tag is encrypted for another TagPass install. The new app can't read it, which is exactly the point. The data is protected. Go to Settings, import the .tps backup, enter the passcode. The app asks you to confirm you want to replace the current key. Key imported successfully. The old fingerprint is gone. The restored key is in place. Back to Scan Tag. Same tag as before. Verified. The restored key reads the tag perfectly. The backup worked. That's TagPass. Write it, sign it, back it up, and prove it works even after a fresh install.